up? Welcome back to another video. So today I actually wanted to come on here and show you guys some new hair products, curly hair products that I will be not even testing out because I've seen some amazing reviews. It's a black owned company, and you know I support a black owned company, especially when it comes to hair products, the right hair products for curly hair. Y'all know I've been ranting about trying to get my curly hair back, and guys, I know y'all like she back at it again with another video trying to get her curls right. Damn right, because like if you guys have not seen, a couple years ago I actually cut my hair and my curls came back. It was so beautiful, and then I decided to put heat back into my hair, and what it do, it damaged it completely again. So right now my curl pattern is very wavy. It's like a soft wavy. It's not too much on the curly side. Underneath is super curly, like underneath my hair is super curly when I wet it, but when it dries, it's just, it looks like I blow dried my hair. And I ordered some products from Mielle. And guys, if you have not heard of her, check her out. She is on Instagram. I discovered her brand by my friend Brittany, and I always used to ask her, I'm like, why does your hair look, her hair was looking good because I remember how short her hair was and it grew so much. So I'm gonna start off in the smallest box and then I'm gonna work my way to this box right here. Okay, so in this box, because I ordered a lot of stuff from her. So in this box, I bought the Mielle Hawaiian Ginger. This is the shampoo. This is for anti-breakage hair. Like my hair sheds so much, especially when it's straight. Hopefully this gets my hair back, gives my hair more strength. And then I also got the conditioner. So the shampoo and the conditioner. I also got the Mielle Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. This is supposed to enhance curl definition and moisture your hair. This is for dry and curly hair types. This is the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Cream. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, this one has to be my favorite. I'm actually really excited to try this. So this is the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. It's actually infused with biotin and encourages growth. And it says for daily use, scalp treatment, and split end care. So guys, like I said, I need my hair to have more strength. Okay, because I feel like the more I straighten my hair, obviously the thinner it gets, and I'm trying to get my hair back on the healthier side. So next we're gonna hop into this box. Can we talk about how beautiful her packaging is? Like how crazy, this is so beautiful. This is what the products look like inside. And this is from her Pomegranate line. So guys, this is the curl defining mousse with hold. It says texture mousses for type 4 hair. My hair is definitely not type 4 hair. I think it's like 3B, but I still want to see what this is like. So I have the Pomegranate Honey Leave-In Conditioner. It's a detangler for thick and curly hair. This is used for intense hydration for thick hair. I mean, you can do your twist outs, whatever you want with this. I also seen her live. I think she used this for the Bantu knots. The Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. And this enhances curl definition. For Hold Edge Gel. And I also bought the Curl Refreshing Spray. This basically is a light holding mist with intense hydration to shine and redefine thick curly hair. Once I do my wash, I will hop right back on here to show you guys every step of the way how I use all of these products. Well, some of the products, because obviously I can't use all the products at once. I'm actually most excited about the Pomegranate line, and I'm actually really excited to try the refreshing spray. And it's gonna be hard for me not to want to straighten my hair because y'all know I love my flat iron so much. I love it, I love it, I love it. I have stages where I want to go straight. Even though I try to use low heat and also like a heat protector, I honestly feel that heat protectors don't work. I always use a heat protector when I straighten my hair, and it has not protected my hair from heat. Okay, because the damage is there, honey. The damage is definitely there. Yeah, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. So if you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to your girl. Oh wait, one thing. After I I did the unboxing, I actually want to show you guys one other thing. So my homegirl Shireen, she actually put me on this makeup bag. I'm gonna show y'all what my makeup bag looked like before. This is my makeup bag now. It's hard to zip because it's getting full, obviously, but I love this makeup bag so much because it's thick, okay, and it lays flat, and you can open it this way, right? And then you can also remove these and adjust it to put your products in. And I actually want to adjust this and put all of my serums and foundations on this side so I can have all of this room. I'm gonna actually take this out. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a makeup bag, I honestly highly recommend this. I already know you're gonna love it. It's really cheap. I think it's like 18 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can shop on my friend Shireen's Amazon store. And my rings, guys, I know some of you guys are probably gonna ask, where did I get my rings from? Because I know a lot of people on Instagram, they ask me, where do I get my rings from? They're actually from my store, Cielo Motif, and I'll also put the link in the description. I know the first time I launched, I sold out completely, and I restocked the rings because everybody kept asking for them. So they're now back on the website. But hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Love you guys so much. Talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.